Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 2. In that we'll see the factorize the following algebraic expressions by regrouping. Now this is a question given, so we can see there are 4 terms here. So now let us group this first and this is the second one. So from this one we can take common, that is a. So now this is a square, so remaining will be a square in the bracket. This is ab, so this will be a is already taken common, so here will be b. Now the same sign here, whatever is here after these 2 terms. So here, how do we call the terms? There is a plus sign in between this one. So this is first, second, third and 4 terms are here. So after these 2 terms, whatever the sign is here, same sign will be taken here. Now here, the common is 9. So this is 9a. So this will be 9 into this one. A will be in the bracket. 9b. So 9 into b. So now you can see in the bracket are the same here. So you will write it just once, and whatever is outside the bracket along with this sign, that will be a plus 9. So again here there are 4 terms. Again we'll take the first group. From this one we can see that 3 is common. So this is 24. So 3 8s are 24 mn. Now this is minus here. This is 21n. So 3 7s are 21n. Now the sign is here plus. So here we can see nothing is common here. So we can write here 1. So in the bracket will be 8n minus 7. So again the brackets are the same. So this will be 8n minus 7. And this is going to be 3n plus 1. Same here. We can see that x square is common. So this is x cube. So this will be x square into x. That will be x cube. Minus here. Again this is 2x square y. So x square is already here. So this will be just 2y. This is common. From this one we can see 3y square. So this is 3x square, xy square. So here will be just x minus sign here. So this is 6y cube. So 3 into 2. This will be 6. And this is going to be y cube. So here again the brackets are common. We can take it just once. And what is outside the bracket, that will be in the other bracket. Now we'll go for this question here. So in this one, if we are taking this first 2, we can see the brackets doesn't match. Means whatever you get here, it should be the same, but it doesn't match. You can just try with this one. So what we'll do, after doing that, I have seen that we can rearrange this one. This and this will bring it together, and this will bring it together. So this is the important step over here. So after doing that step, what we can see here the common is 9x square y square. So here is 18 x square y square. So 9 to the 18, x square y square is already here. Here is 9x cube y cube. 9 is already here. So x square is already taken. So this will be x cube and this will be y cube. Now this plus sign as it is. From this one the common is going to be 4y. So this is xy square. So 4x y square plus this is 8y. So this is going to be 4 to the 8 and this is going to be y, 8y. So now what we can see, this is 2 plus xy and xy plus 2. Both is going to be the same. So we can just, what I have done here, I have done this extra step. So this is the same, this is the same, and this just I have rearranged, because in this plus, if you are writing 2 plus 3 also is going to be 5 and 3 plus 2 also is going to be 5. So just we can rearrange because we want both the brackets should be same. So now these are same, so that we're going to just return once, and then what is outside the bracket, that will be in the other bracket. So now again in this one what we can see that y is common here. So this is 9x square y square means 9x square y square. When we arrange this one, x square, this is x square and this is going to be y square, and plus 4y, this is going to be plus 4y, and this is the same. So this is the answer. Now here again, now see here, this plus sign is here after this one and this. So what we can see from this 2 groups, m plus n is common. So m plus n will be outside the bracket. So in this bracket, the square bracket will be this same and this same, along with the sign, this plus sign. So this will be the same. So when we take these like terms together, that is going to be 5a, and this will be minus 3 minus 2 is going to be minus 5b. So now this is going to be the same. So from this one again, what we can see, 5 is common, 5a minus 5b. So we can also write this one as 5, we'll write at the start because this is multiplication. This bracket first and then this bracket. This can be also written in this one. Now from this one, both of them, what we can see, 4 and 12, when we take the SCF of that, that is going to be, common is going to be 4. And this is x minus y square and this is x minus y. So we can take x minus y common. So what remains in the bracket? From this x minus y whole bracket square, 1 is already here. So x minus y will remain. And this one already, that is outside. So 4 3s are 12. So this is the answer. Now the factorize the following using a plus or minus b whole bracket square. So now this is the expression given. So what we have to see, this is the first term, the middle term and the last term. So from this one, 9x square, when we take the square root of that, that is going to be 3x. So this is 3x. After that, whatever the sign is plus. Now this is 16, root of 16, that is going to be 4. So this is 4. And the square root of that, that will be a plus b whole bracket square. So when you expand this is just to check. Now whenever that is a plus b whole bracket square, that will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. I'll show you how to do it. A square means this is a, this is b, and square of it. So 3x square plus 2, what is a? A is 3x, b is 4, plus b square means 4 square. So 3x square means the square is for this as well as this. That is going to, I'll just write it here. 9x square plus 2ab means altogether you are going to multiply this. 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24x, and this is going to be 4 square, that is going to be 16. This is same as this. This was just to recheck. So this is the answer because we are using this. We are factorizing these using this one. So this is the answer. Again, same here. This is the first term and last term. If we take the square root of this, is going to be 2xy. And after that, whatever the sign is, this is minus. And this will be root of z square, that is going to be z. So you are going to take this will be in the form of a minus b whole bracket square. So this is a and this is b. Now same here, the first and the last term. For this one, the square root is, when you take square root of x square, that is going to be x. This sign is plus, so here plus 1 by x square, that is going to be 1 by x, and this will be whole bracket square. So this is a, and this is b square. Now same here, for this one, that is going to be x square. Same sign here. So for 25, y first to 4, that is going to be 5y square and the square of it. Factorize the following using difference of two squares. So now difference of two squares means this also is a perfect square and this also is a perfect square. Root of 64 a square, that is going to be 8a, and that is going to be root of 25b square, that is going to be 5b. So this will be in the form of a square minus b square. So the formula for a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b, or it can be written as a plus b and a minus b. Both ways is the same. So a is what? As I told you earlier. So you will take this one and you take the square root of it, that will get 8a plus b. So this is a plus b and this is going to be a minus b. So this is the answer. Again for this one, when you take the square root of this one, so that is going to be 11a. When you take the square root of this one, so that is going to be 12b. So this is in the form of a square minus b square, which is going to be a plus b and a minus b, which is this. Same here. This is going to be 9a. For this one, that is going to be 7b. So this is in the form of a square minus b square, which is going to be a plus b and a minus b. So this is a plus b and this is going to be a minus b. Now for this one, this also is in the form of a square minus b square, but a is going to be 3x plus 7. So what will you do? This is square of it. So that is going to be a plus b, and a minus b. So a is 3x plus 7. B is going to be y, that is plus, so same here. And again here a is 3x plus 7 and this minus as it is, and b is y. Now again this is a square minus, this will be, for this one we cannot do it actually that way, because see here this is 4 is here. So what will you do? We will expand this. This is for a plus b whole bracket square. So when we expand this, that is going to be a square, that is x square, plus 2ab means 2 into x into 2y, because this is a and this is b. That is going to be 4xy, and b square, that is going to be 2y square, that will be 4y square. This minus 4 as it is, again you are going to expand for this one. This is in the form of a minus b whole bracket square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square is going to be 4x square, 2x square, that is going to be 2x square, that will be 4x square, minus 2ab means 2, 2ab means 2 into 2x into this y, that is going to be minus 4xy, and plus this y square. So this bracket is very important because there is a minus sign. So now this write as it is. This is going to be 16x square minus 16x square, minus minus becomes plus. This is going to be 16xy, and this is going to be minus 4y square. So now this plus 4y square minus 4y square gets cut. So what we can write here, x square minus 16xy, x square, that is plus 4xy plus 16xy. So when you solve this, this is actually 1. So minus 16 plus 1, that is going to be minus 15x square, and this is going to be plus 20xy. So from this one, when we take common, 5x into this will be minus 3x will be here, so that we get minus 15x square, and this is going to be plus 20xy. Or we can also write this one as 5x as it is, and this we can rearrange, that is going to be 4y minus 3x. Now for this part, again this will be same. Again we are going to expand this. This is in the form of a plus b whole bracket square. So after expanding that, we get this part. This is going to be the same. This is in the form of a minus b whole bracket square. So you know that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is going to be, this is going to be the same. So this is going to be 36a square plus 144ab plus this is 144b square. This is going to be minus 196a square, minus minus becomes plus. So this is going to be 49 4s are 196ab, and this is going to be minus, plus is going to be minus, and this is going to be 49b square. So this is same, this is the same, this is the same, this is the same here and here, because the like terms are, these are the like terms. So after solving this part, that is minus 196 plus 36, we get minus 160. This two together, that is going to be plus 340. This two together, that will be plus 144 minus 49, that is going to be plus 98b square. So now this can be also written as, because now this is the negative sign, easier, we can make it to positive, because this is the first term always in the, whenever there is negative, we have to make it to positive. So 160a square. So since we have changed this sign, this also should be changed, this also should be changed. So this is going to be minus, and this is going to be again minus, and this is going to stay the same. So now from this one, we can see 5 is common, the LCM, sorry, the HCF of it. 5 will be common here. So this will be 32 to make it to 160, that is a square. This same, from this 340, 5 is already here, that will be multiplied by 68. This 95 minus here, 19 5 is a 95 b square. So 5 write as it is. Now for this one, what we can do again, this is the quadratic equation here. So you know the first and the last term we are going to multiply, and we are going to factorize it. After factorizing it, 32 into 19. So this is going to be 608. So we'll take the factors of 608. this is the middle term, we are going to split so that we get minus 68. So I'll show you now. 608, 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 7s are, so to get it to 68, so one of this will be, now here will be 19, this one 19 into 4, that is going to be 76, and sorry, here will be 2, here will be 2 19s and 19 ones, sorry for this one. So this will be 19 into 4, that is going to be 76, and this 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So here we want minus 68. So minus 76 plus 8. These are the factors of 608. So minus 76 AB, and this will be plus 8 AB, and this will be the same. Now we will take this 2 together. We will group it and this 2 together. From the first one, we can take 4A common. So in the bracket remaining is 8A to make it to 32A square. And this is 76, means it is going to be 19 for the 76 AB. This plus as it is from this one, that is going to be B, and this will be 8A minus 19B. So this stays the same. Now for this one, it is going to be the same, and this will be 4A plus B. So this is the answer. Now again for this one, keep the same. This we are going to expand it. So A plus B whole bracket square, that is going to be A square plus 2AB plus B square. This stays the same. Again, this is in the form of A minus B whole bracket square. That is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So this is the answer for this one. So now we are going to take 25x square plus 50xy plus 25y square. So this is here. This minus sign as it is. 16x square. This minus and minus becomes plus 32xy. And this is going to be minus 16y square. So 25x square. This will be minus 16x square plus 50xy plus 32xy plus 25y square and minus 16y square. So this together is going to be 9x square. This together is going to be 82xy, and this will be plus 25 minus 16 is going to be 9y square. So now again what we can say, this is a quadratic equation, so we can take, again we can factorize it. 9 9s are 81. This is the middle term, we are going to split up. So 81 factors will be, this will be 82. So 81 ones are 81, that will be, so that will be 81 and here 1 plus 81, and this one is going to be 82. And this is the same. This is the same. So now these are, we are going to group it. From the first group, we can see that 9x is common. So we want 9x square. So this should be 9x square plus 81y plus 81xy. This is going to be same. From this one, that is going to be y. And this will be x plus 9y. So here will be x plus 9y together. And this is going to be 9x plus y. Now here we have to factorize completely x4 minus 16. So this can be split up into, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So this we can take a plus b. So this is going to be root of x4, that is going to be x square. And this is going to be root of 16 is going to be 4. So this we can write as a plus b, and this will be a minus b. So this will be same. Again, this can be further done. This is in the form of a square minus b square because this is a perfect square. So root of this is going to be x plus 2. That will be, because this will be a plus b and a minus b. So this is a plus b and this is a minus b. Again for this one, because this is 4 raised to 4. So that will be 16. 16 16s are, that is 256. And this is going to be just y square. So this will be a plus b and this will be a minus b. Again, this stays the same. Again, this is the perfect square. 16 can be split up again. So that is going to be, again, this will be a square minus b square. So that will be a plus b and a minus b. So that is going to be 4x plus y and 4x minus y. Here again, this is x raised to 4. So this is going to be 9x square, and this is going to be 25 into 25. So this is going to be 25. So that will be 9x square. This will be a plus b, and this will be a minus b. So 9x square plus 25 and 9x square minus 25. This is going to be the same. Again, this can be further simplified. So this is going to be root of 9, that is x square, that is going to be 3x. 3x plus 5 and 3x minus 5. For this one, what we can do, this is slightly different. Here that is, we have to take from these two terms 2 common. So what will remain in the bracket? 2x square minus this is going to be 50y square. So now this we can simplify. That will be, this is in the form of a square minus b square. That is going to be a plus b and a minus b. So when you take the square root of that, that is going to be x plus 5y and x minus 5y. Same here, we can see that we have to take 3 common. In the bracket will be x square minus 36y square. So this will remain the same. So this is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. So that will be when you take the square root of it. So that is going to be x plus 6y and x minus 6y. Same here, 5 will be taken as common. This is going to be a square, this is 80, means it is going to be 5 16s are. So this is going to be a plus 4b and a minus 4b. For this part, we'll take 4 common. So this is going to be x square minus 25y square. So this 4. So this is going to be x plus 5y and x minus 5y. Now this is in the power is 4. So this will be taken as 4x square, and this is going to be 25y square. This will be a plus b and a minus b. So now this is going to be same. Again, this can be further simplified because these are the perfect squares. So this is going to be a square minus b square. So we can take this as 2x plus 5y and 2x minus 5y. Now evaluate the following using the identities. So identities means the different identities the same. A square minus b square, that is a minus b and a plus b. Or if it is a square minus b square, that will be a minus b and a plus b. So now this we can bring in this form, in the form of this identity. So you can see 78 and 82. So it can be 78 can be written as 80 minus 2, and this is going to be 80 plus 2. So now what we can see here, this is a, this also is a, this is b, and this also is b, both are same. So minus here and plus here. So a minus b and a plus b, that is going to be a square minus b square. So this can be written as, this is a square and this is b square. So when you take 80 square means 80 into 80, that is going to be 6400, and this is minus 4. So answer is going to be 6396. Same here, we can take 100 plus 3, and for this one we can take 100 minus 3. So this is a plus b, and this will be a minus b. So that is going to be a square. A square means 100 square minus this was going to be 3 square. So this is going to be 10,009. So that is going to be 9991. This is 9.2. So 9 plus 0.2 multiplied by 9 minus 0.2. So again, this is a plus b and this is a minus b. So this is going to be a square minus b square. So 81 minus 0.2 into 0.2. So which is going to be 0.04. So when you subtract this, you get 80.96. Same here, for this one we can write 160 minus 1, and for this one 160 plus 1, a minus b and a plus b. So this is going to be a square minus b square. So when you take the square of this one, you get 25600 minus 1, so 25599. Now for this one, this is slightly different. This is a square minus b square. So the opposite of that one. So a square minus b square means again a minus b and a plus b. So what is a? A is 97 minus 96, and this will be 97 plus 96. So when you subtract this, you get 1. Add this, you get 193, and this is actually multiplication, so that is going to be 193. Again, same here. This is in the form of a square minus b square. So same identity, a minus b and a plus b. So this is going to be 1 and this will be 449. So that will be 449. Same here, a square minus b square. So for this one, this is going to be 2 and this is going to be 124, which is going to be 248. Same type, you can check here. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.